How to download songs on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily download songs on your Android device using Chrome and NCS. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Chrome browser on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply tap in the search bar and simply type NCS search and simply search for that. And now here on the result page, you will see several links. From there, simply click on the option that says NCS, which stands for No Copyright Sounds. It's a platform that offers free music that you can download safely. And here, once you have found the link to the official website, simply tap on it. And here, once the page opens, you'll see a list of available tracks. So if this site allows it, you can just tap on genres or search by genre or select the music style that you like, such as chill, trap, EDM, etc. And after that, you can simply swipe or scroll to find the song that you want. And after that, once you have found the song, you can just tap on the download button next to the track and a download confirmation may pop up. From there, you can just tap on download again and the song will start downloading and will appear in your notification bar. And once the download is complete, you can simply go to your Files Manager app, and after that you can simply go to the downloads folder, and there you'll find your downloaded songs, which is ready to play or share. And that's it. That's how you can download music directly to your Android device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.